Unraveling the Truth, the art of spinning someone a line. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a particularly intriguing phrase, spin someone a line. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and add another gem to your English vocabulary. At its core, spin someone a line is a phrase steeped in the art of deception. To spin someone a line means to tell someone a story or an excuse that is not true, with the intention of deceiving them. The imagery here is akin to spinning a web of lies or crafting a tale so elaborate that it entangles the listener in its falsehoods. It's a phrase that evokes the skill of a storyteller, albeit one whose stories are not bound by the commitment to truth. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can often illuminate their meanings in a new light. While the exact origins of spin someone a line might be shrouded in linguistic history, the concept of spinning, in this context, likely refers to the act of weaving or twisting together, much like a spider spins its web. Over time, this imagery became metaphorically linked to the weaving of tales, particularly those that aim to deceive or mislead. Now that we know what it means, let's look at how to incorporate spin someone a line into your English conversations. Here are a few examples. I knew he was just spinning me a line when he told me about his so-called royal ancestry. She tried to spin me a line about being stuck in traffic, but I knew she just overslept. Whenever he's late, he always spins a line so elaborate that you almost want to believe it. Using this phrase can add a layer of sophistication to your language, signaling not just your command of English, but also your awareness of its subtleties and nuances. While spin someone a line can be a colorful addition to your vocabulary, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts. It's perfect for casual conversations, storytelling, and perhaps literary or creative writing. However, in formal settings, discussions requiring clear and straightforward communication, or when the truth is paramount, it's best to steer clear of implying deceit, even in jest. And there you have it, folks. You now know what it means to spin someone a line, a phrase that conjures images of deception, storytelling, and the intricate dance between truth and fiction. We hope this exploration has not only enlightened you but also inspired you to appreciate the depth and richness of the English language. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, it's a canvas for creativity. Until next time, keep spinning those stories. Just make sure they're true when it matters.